a to the power 0 equal 1, 1 to the power 0 equal 1, 2 to the power 0 equal 1, 3 to the power 0 equal 1, but 0 to the power 0 is not equal 1. We know 0 to the power n equals 0, 0 to the power 1 equals 0, 0 to the power 2 equals 0, 0 to the power cube equal to 0, but 0 to the power 0 is not equal 0. But 0 to the power 0 equal what? 0 to the power 0 equal undefined. Zero to the power minus 1 equal 1 by 0, undefined. 0 to the power minus 2 equal 1 by 0 to the power 2 equal 1 by 0, undefined.